A very good morning, my dear students. Myself, Shalini Bagchi, is your English teacher. Again, I welcome you all in the online English class. In last week, I already explained the very first poem, My Mother. So today, again, I am going to summarize this poem. This poem was written by Anne Taylor. This poem is based on mother's love for her children. Mother is play an amazing role in each and every child's life. This poem expresses the natural devotion between a mother and her child. In this poem, the poetess recalls her childhood and expresses her feelings, love, and respect about her mother. In this poem, the poetess said that how her mother used to lift her and sing a song as well as move from side to side when she was unable to sleep. When she was a little child, her mother took care of her. Her mother loved to see when the poetess was happy, and her mother only taught the poetess how to speak and how to play. Mother is the only one when she fell down, she lifted her, kissed her, and told a pretty story. Mother is the only one who only taught me how to pray to God and how to love creatures, and always said to follow the good path. So, through this poem, the poetess wants to say that there is no end to mother's love. Mother is an essence of truthfulness, love, and sincerity. Mother's love is totally endless. So, this is the summary of this poem. Now, come to the some exercise part of this poem. So, see the first one, meanings of new words. So, we already seen the new words in the poem. So, we just see the meanings of new words. Forsook. Forsook means gave up. Cradle. Cradle means a small bed for an infant. Lullaby. Lullaby means a song to put a child to sleep. Affection. Affection means liking. Rocked. Rocked means moved from side to side. Wisdom. Wisdom means knowledge. Infant. Infant means baby. Pleasant means nice. So these are the meanings of new words. So come to the next question. Read the sentence. Say whether the following are true or false. So these sentences are related to the poem. So we must read the sentence and we just say whether these sentences are true or false. See the first one. The poem is about a mother. It's true. The mother sings a lullaby for a grown-up boy. That is false. The mother tells the child not to play. This is false. The mother teaches the child to pray. It's true. The mother sheds tears when the child falls down. That is false. So come to the next question. Fill in the missing letters. So here are some missing letters. So we just see that one. A song to put a child to sleep is called a lullaby. So what's the spelling of lullaby? Lullaby. So what's the missing letters are here? U, A, P. Now see the next one. A small bed for an infant is called a cradle. So what's the spelling of cradle? Cradle. So what's the missing letters are here? R, A, L. Now see the next one. A newborn baby is called infant. So what's the spelling of infant? I-N-F-A-N-T. So what's the missing letters are here? N-A-N. Now see the next one. The quality of having knowledge and intelligence is wisdom. So what's the spelling of wisdom? W-I-S-D-O-M. So what's the missing letters are here? I-S-O. Now see the next one. Something that is pure and sacred is holy. So what's the spelling of holy? H-O-L-Y. And what's the missing letters are here? O-L. So this question is also over. Now see the next one. Write the opposites of. So students, do you know what are opposites? Opposite words that expresses a meaning opposed to the meaning of the another word. Or opposite word means antonyms. So here we see the opposite words. Holy. What is the opposite of holy? Unholy. U-N-H-O-L-Y. Unholy. Love, hate. What is the spelling of hate? H-A-T-E. Well, ill. I-double-L, ill. Pleasant, unpleasant. U-N-P-L-E-A-S-A-N-T. Unpleasant. Cry, laugh. What is the spelling of laugh? L-A-U-G-H, laugh. Now see the last question. Rhyming words. So what are rhyming words? Rhyming words are two or more words that have the same or similar ending sound. So we just see that one. Head, shed. Like that. Bed, red. Play, gay. Like that only. Say, way. Fell, tell. Like that. Well, bell. Pray, day. Like that. Ray, clay. See the last one. I, die. Like that only. My, buy. So these are the some exercise part from the poem My Mother. So the students, you must practice this exercise part at home and learn it properly. So today I am going to stop here. Thank you.